When I agreed to do the first film, you know, when we talked about doing Pirates of the Caribbean, Jack Sparrow didn't really exist then, you know. So I have to say it was all just kind of, it was instinct, you know. Somehow it just, they mentioned it and said, you know, would you be interested in that? And I said, I'm in, you know.
Did the studio trust your rendition of Jack, who Jack was?
Well, there were some at the studio, bless them, when we first started shooting Pirates 1, that for the first couple of months they were frightened, you know. They were panicked, and I do kind of understand, you know, where they were coming from. But you know, once I sat them down and just said, look, you know, you hired me to do this job, you got to trust me. You know?
Why were they panicked though? Was it because they were used to seeing you in a certain light, and this was completely in a different direction?
I think they'd had such. I mean, the investment was so big. I mean, it was an enormous investment in terms of their financial involvement, and also it was, you know, the film based on the theme park ride, and just, they had a lot riding on it, you know. And then, you know, they hired this, you know, weird actor to come in there, and you know, they can't quite understand what I'm saying. You know, they feel like I'm slurring my words, and they don't know if the character was, you know, is drunk, or is he gay, or is he, you know, what is the guy? They didn't understand any of it. So they were riddled with fear.